If you want to install the latest Apple macOS Big Sur on your Windows 10 AMD PC, then watch this video till the end. What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech tutorial. So guys, in this video I am going to show you the step-by-step guide to install Apple latest macOS Big Sur on your Windows 10 AMD PC using the VMware Workstation. And for this you don't have to remove your hard drive OS or format your hard drive. We are going to install the Apple macOS Big Sur on virtual hard drive using the VMware. So without talking too much, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay everyone, to install macOS Big Sur on your Windows 10 computer, you need to download these files from the description. I will add the download link of this file in description box. This one is macOS Big Sur ISO file, then the unlocker and some configuration text and the VMware Workstation. After that, install the VMware on your PC by double-clicking on the VMware installer.exe file. I had already installed it on my computer. Okay, then you have to unzip the unlocker zip file and go to unlocker folder. Here into this folder, you will get couple of files. From them, you have to right-click on win/install batch file and run it as administrator. And it will start unlocking macOS running capability of VMware, and it will download some requirement files. It will take some time, depend on your internet connection speed. After that, click on Start and search for VMware and open the VMware Workstation. Now click on Create a new virtual machine. Keep typical selected and hit Next. Then select Installer Disk Image file. Click on Browse and select the macOS Big Sur ISO file, whichever you downloaded from the video description. Then click on Next. Now from all of this OS selection option, select Apple macOS X, and from the drop down menu, select macOS 11.1. Then hit Next. Now here you can give a name to your macOS. Then hit Next. Then here you need to create a virtual drive to install macOS. Create minimum 80 GB drive. And select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Then hit Next. Now click on Customize Hardware. Select RAM for virtual machine at least 4 gigs. Then click on Processor and select the cores for your virtual macOS. Make sure to check this virtual option. Then go to USB controller and check Show all USB input device. Now close the dialog box and click on Finish. Now right click on macOS Big Sur here and open VM directory. Then from here, open the .vmx file with a notepad. Now go to downloaded files or in the video description, and there you will get some configuration text. Open that text file or copy the text from the description and paste it to the end of the VMX file and save it. Now go to VMware and power on the macOS Big Sur. After a while, you will get this page. From this page, select your language and go forward. Then click on Disk Utility and continue. Now from here, click on Show all devices. Then select the virtual hard drive and erase the partition of this virtual hard drive and give it a name. Okay. Now close the window. And from here, click on Install macOS Big Sur. Then continue. Now accept the terms and condition and select the virtual drive from here. and click on continue. Then it will start installing macOS Big Sur on your virtual hard drive. It will take some time. When it will get completed, it will restart your VM and you will get this Apple logo. For the first time boot, it will take time almost 30 minutes. Then you will get this page. Now just simply set up your macOS following the instruction. And you will get the macOS running on your PC. Now to make it full screen, power off the VM, then click here on CD DVD option, click on browse and go to your unlocker folder, and into that folder go to tools and select darwin.iso file and open it. Okay, now power on your macOS and you will get this VMware Tool Software installer on your desktop. Just double click on it and normally install it on your macOS. Then after the restart, your macOS will be full screen like me. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. And guys, if you found any type of problem or error following this video guide, you can comment down below and I will try to solve all of your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.